Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dava Danendra Feruza. Now I'm gonna presentation about Surah Ar-Rahman, explaining the tafsir and ta'wil. So I'm gonna reading the surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahman. Allamal Qur'an. Khalaqal insan. Allamahul bayan. Asy-syamsu wal qamaru bihusban. Wan najmu wasyajaru yasjudan wassama rafa'aha wa wado al mizan ala tadkhul fil mizan wa aqimul wasna bil qisti wala tuksirul mizan wal ardo wado'aha lil anam fiha fakihatu wan nahlu zatul akmam wal habbu zul asfi war royhan wa fabi ai ala rabbikuma tukadziban khalaqal insana min shalsalin kal faqar wa khalaqal janna mim marijim min nar fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban rabbul masyriqaini wa rabbul maghribain fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban marajal bahraini yaltaqiyan bainahuma barzakhul la yabghiyan fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yahruju minhumal lulu'u wal marjan fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban wallahul jawaril munsya'atu fil bahri kal a'lam fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban kullu man 'alaiha fan wa yabqa wajhu rabbika dzul jalali wal ikram fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yas'aluhu man fis samawati wal ard kulla yaumin huwa fi sya'in fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban sanafrugu lakum ayyuhas saqalan fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban ya ma'syarul jinni wal insi inistata'tum ang tangfuzu min aqtaris samawati wal ardi fangfuzu la tangfuzuna ila bisultan fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban yursalu alaikuma syuwasyum min nari wa nuhasum fala tangtashiron fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban faizang syaqatis sama fakanat wardatan kadzihan fabi ai ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fayawma idzil la yus'alu an zambihi insu wala jan Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Yu'raful mujrimuna bisima hum fayukhazu bin nawashi wal aqdam. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Hadhihi jahannamul lati yukadzibu bihal mujrimun. Yatufu nabainaha wa bainaha mimin an. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Waliman khafa maqama rabbihi janatan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Zawata afnan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Fihi ma'ainani tajriyan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Fihi ma min kulli fakihatin zawjan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Muttaqiina ala furushim bato inuha min istabrok wajanal janataini dan fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban fihinna qasyiratut tarfilam yatmis hunna ingsun qablahum wala jan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Ka'anahunnal yaqutu wal marjan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Hal jazaa'ul ihsani ilal ihsan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Wa min dunihima jannatan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Mudhammatan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Fihima ainani naddofotan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Fihima fakihatu wa naklu wa rumman. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Fihinna khairatun hisan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Hurum maksyuratun fil khiyam. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Lam yatmishunna insun qablahum wala jan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Muttaqiina ala rafrafin hudriw wa abqariyin hisan. Fabi'ayyi ala'i rabbikuma tukadziban. Tabarakasmu rabbika zil jalali wal ikram. Shadaqallahul azim. Okay, next to the next slide. Introduction. Name Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Number of verses 78 verses. Classification Makkiyah revealed in Makkah. Main theme depicting the numerous blessing and favors of Allah to all His creation, both in this world and the hereafter, emphasizing Allah's greatness, powers, and boundless mercy. Distinctive feature: the repetition of فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. The meaning then which of the favors of Lord will you deny? Repetition occurs 31 times throughout the surah. This is the signature of or unique characteristic of Surah Ar-Rahman. Almost every time Allah mentions a blessing or a phenomenon of His greatness, this verse appears. The meaning, tafsir, and takwil. This strong emphasis serves as a repeated reminder and admonition for both humans and jinn to express gratitude for the many blessings often overlooked. The first pillar, relevant first one is Ar-Rahman. Explanation is focus on the first verse, which although the name of surah. The tafsir surah opens with Allah's most gracious name, indicating that all existing blessings originate from His infinite mercy. This means everything we see, feel, and experience in life, whether big or small, is manifestation of Allah's vast mercy. The takwil, awareness of Allah, should encourage us to always be grateful and glorify Him, recognizing that every breath is pure gift from Him. This is a deeper, more relevant meaning for life. Next, the blessing of the Quran and its teaching. The relevant verse is verse 2 to 4. He taught the Quran, He created man, He taught him articulate speech. The verse highlights three great blessings in sequence. Tafsir, the Quran is the greatest blessing as a guide. Humans are given the ability to understand it, to receive its message. The Quran is perfect guide Allah has revealed. Moreover, Allah has given humans the capacity to think, understand language, and speak so they can receive and spread the Quran teaching. Takwil, proof of Allah immense mercy. We are obligated to learn, understand, and apply its teachings as a form of gratitude for divine guidance. We should prioritize the Quran in our life as the compass Allah has given us to navigate this complex life. Next, the wonder of creation, human, and the universe. Relevant verse is verses 5 to 15. The Tafsir, Allah created the universe with perfect order, sun, moon, and balanced mizan. Humans from clay, jinn from fire. Every element in the universe functions according to its precise calculation, showing Allah's number and precision. The takwil. Observing this creation should foster deep faith and submission, maintain the balance and justice that Allah has established. Explanation reflecting on the wonder of the universe strength our faith. Furthermore, it teaches us to live in balance, be just, and not corrupt what Allah has created. Next, abundant worldly blessing. Relevant verse is verses 11, 12, and 19 to 25. The tafsir is Allah provides abundant material blessing on earth like fruits, sea products, ease of navigation for humanity. From various types of fruits and against the marvel of two seas, meeting without mixings, which yield pearls and coral. Takwil, these are both gift and test. Utilize them wisely and be grateful for every provision from Allah. Next, the finitude of the world and the eternity of Allah. Relevant verse is verses 26 to 28. The tafsir, all creatures in this world are finite. Only Allah is eternal with all His majesty. This is stern reminder that everything in this world has a limit and will come to an end. Only Allah is eternal and everlasting. Takbil, awareness of the world impermanence should lead us to focus on the hereafter and perform righteous deeds as provision, not to be attached to temporary worldly things. This understanding should prevent us from being overly attached to wealth status, or temporary worldly pressures. Next, the imagery of the hereafter, heaven and hell. 11 verse, verses 35, 41 to 45. That's the hell one. The heaven is verses 46 to 77. The tafsir, Allah describes just reward in the hereafter, paradise for the righteous and hell for the sinners. The surah provides details about the tyrant delight of paradise for the believer and the righteous. Conversely, it also mentions the torment of the hell for those who deny the truth. Takwil, this is a strong motivation to do good for paradise and avoid sins to escape hell. Maintain a balance between hope and fear. Okay, conclusion and moral message. Relevant verse is verses 78. Surah Rahman showcases Allah's greatness, for justice, and especially His infinite mercy towards all His creation. It's a call to reflect on every blessing. The moral message is the repeated question, then which of the favors of your Lord will you deny, is the pinnacle of the call to reflect and always be grateful. There is no reason for humanity to deny or reject these blessings. Okay, call to action is let's always reflect on our blessings, be grateful, and use His favor in the right way. So that's for me. This is the end of the slide. Thank you very much. I'm sorry if there is a mistake in answering or reading. I'm close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.